Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to insert digital signature in a document. Suppose the document that we have created using Google Docs, I want to insert a digital signature on this document. So first download it, go and download it as PDF document, this demo1 file. When it is downloaded, simply open it in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to open this PDF file, you must have Adobe Reader. To insert a signature, simply go to this symbol, sign document, by typing or drawing a signature. Click here. It will ask you to either add signature or add your initial. So for example, if you want to add your signature, click that. So either you can type your signature here, for example, or you can change style also from here, or you can draw your signature simply through mouse. For example, in this way. Or clear it, you can simply insert some image as signature, apply it. Now you can reposition it anywhere and click below the signature. You will get a box to write your details. For example, below the signature you can mention your details. Whatever the department and university. You can change the color of this text through this symbol. Select either of the color for your details below the signature. Now after sign in, you can save this document or you can close it. In the similar way, you can also insert your initials. Procedure is same. You can either type your initial or draw it or insert some images. So signing a document in this way is not secure. So anyone having your signature can sign a document on your behalf. So actual signature, actual digital signature should be encrypted and protected with password. So let's discuss how to insert a secured and protected digital signature. So a digital signature is a type of electronic signature that encrypts document with digital codes that are particularly difficult to duplicate. To sign this document digitally, go to Tool, go to Certificate, open, go to this digitally sign in. You need to select some area using mouse cursor so that you can put your signature at that location. So make a rectangular area Now, if you have already created some signature, you can use it, or if you want to create a new signature, so simply configure new digital ID. So this option is for smart card or token connected. If you have created some digital signature in previous, you can use that digital signature from the file, or you can configure a new digital ID. So save to your known place in your known directory, provide the details, select your country, go to India, continue, provide the path where you want to share the signature, save it. Now to save it finally, you need to protect it with some password. You can use a strong password, save it, and if you want to use your created digital signature, you can select anyone that you want to use for signature and continue. And finally, when it's need to be digitally signed, you have to provide the password through which you have saved your digital signature. Sign. Lock document after signing, you can also do it. You can save your file with different name or overwrite on the same file, no problem. So this one. So this document is now digitally signed with the secure digital signature. You can see the details of this signature, its properties. You can also go to signature panel and see who have signed it. So this is how to digitally sign a document. I hope you like this video. Thank you.